So here's how to fix launch failed Epic Games Launcher LS0013 error code, which is usually followed by verify the installation. So first what we want to do is right click on the start button and then click on run. And then we want to type %, local update %, press OK. Now you want to search for Epic Games Launcher, double click on it and then double click on saved folder. Now if you see a folder called webcache _4430, you want to select it and then click delete folder to delete it. I have already deleted the folder in this case. Now I can close the folder. Next, you want to right click on the Epic Games Launcher.exe on your desktop and then go to properties and then go to compatibility tab and make sure to disable full screen optimizations and check run this program as admin. Now you can also change the DPI settings. So you want to click on override and set it to application, press OK. You can also run the troubleshooter if you face this error frequently, but I'm going to leave it disabled. Click on apply and OK. Now you will simply need to launch the Epic Games Launcher, so double click on it and confirm. And then you should simply go to your library and then try to launch your game that you're trying to launch from here to see if that solves the issue. Now if the issue still persists, what you can do is click on the three dots under the game you're trying to launch and then click on verify, or click on manage first and then click on under next to verify files, click on verify and wait for it to verify the game files and repair any corrupted files. Now once the verification process is complete, you need to just launch the game again and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.